Good evening to you. It's me, your girl, American Gyaru, and if you are visiting my channel for the first time, welcome to the doll family. I do lots of fun, girly aesthetic things. I have dry skin. I'm looking for products that are going to give me a dewy finish because I've been using retinoid specifically. It does dry my skin out, hence I do need to counter that with more hydrating skin products. Fruit Baby Best Sellers Kit. Yeah! I love cutesy things, I love aesthetic things, and I just thought this is so perfect for spring. This kit was about $40. The reason why I'm starting at night is because I do see an avocado melt retinol eye sleeping mask. Okay. It says here, double serums, double benefits. Our serums are designed to layer together to target multiple skin concerns and maximize benefits. Try mixing Plum Hyaluronic Serum and Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops for ultra glowy plump skin. Plump Hyaluronic Serum Deep Hydration Glow. I'm into plumping products. I'm into hyaluronic acid. Ultimately, I really am looking at ingredients. I've been looking at ingredients, and hyaluronic acid, it does help absorb moisture into my skin. Watermelon Glow PHA BHA Pore Tight Toner. Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask. And we got the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. I believe this is the one I was excited to try as well for hydration and dewy skin. And they also gave me a free gift, which were these cute little trial sizes. This is the Avocado Ceramide Recovery Serum. And then the Guava Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum. Very hyped. I'm really excited because for when I've already dabbled with these products, the packaging, look at how cute this is. So, again, aesthetic. So I can't wait to put that on my vanity. By the way, dolls, I just got this face cleanser from Ulta Beauty. This is the Radiance Daily Energizing Exfoliating Cleanser. I love the smell of it. It smells like vitamin C, fresh squeezed oranges, and it has that exfoliating element. I feel like my skin is good to go. My skin feels clean, and it's ready to try some of these products. I'm just gonna dive right in. I'm gonna start off with this Hydrating Pore Refining Hyaluronic Acid. I don't actually use toners. I just feel like my skin's so dry already. I don't want any type of alcohol in it. Some toners can strip your skin, but we'll see. This one here is a hydrating, refining one. It's hyaluronic acid, cactus water, and willow bark. Oh wow, look at that. It's got that cactus goo in it. You know how cactus, it's like saliva. I hate to say it. That's not really a good way to say it. Let me see if I can put it on my hand. Oh, okay. Wow. It smells like an aloe right inside of the aloe plant. I don't know if this is as much of a toner or like a skin lotion, which I totally dig. I'm kind of psyched. And it's supposed to reduce pores. So who doesn't love that? Wow. So I look glowy and dewy already. I'm a believer, and this feels like it's glass too. So I really like this. I'm shook. That's really great. That's amazing. I really do like this product. So I will be using this again tomorrow. Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Brightening. Ooh, okay. I don't really smell the watermelon. I really like how my skin feels more refreshed, brighter. It feels more alive. So now we'll move on to the Plump Hyaluronic Serum. It's very easy to apply, slimy. This is something that I really wanted to try out. I just think it's so pretty. So this is the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask. It's for brightening and for firming, and it does have a tinge of green, so it's really pretty. I just love skincare products that not only look good, smell good, but actually work. I don't have a firming eye mask, so I'm really excited. It's very cooling. It feels really nice on the eye. It feels like I'm wearing an eye mask. That's the cooling effect that I'm feeling. So I absolutely love that. Really, really happy about that. That's amazing. The only other thing that is remaining is this Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. I'm gonna hold off on this until tomorrow because I will be using all of the products again tomorrow. We'll see when I wake up if I still have a nice glow in the sunlight. So far, dolls, let me know what you think. My skin feels so refreshed. It does look dewy and brighter. I am planning to do my nails. Really simple, really cheap. Here are the nails, and I will put a link down below. See you in the morning. Bye, dolls. Good night. Good morning. I hope you had restful sleep. My nose is like swollen. Probably had too much MSG or salty food, so excuse me. We are here to see if Glow Recipe kept its glow. We can see in the bright light my skin is kind of rough. I like to blame it on my retinol treatments, but I'm just aging, so we can't really get around it. But I honestly feel like a doo-doo head because I didn't know that Glow Recipe actually was a Korean company. And now it just makes so much sense because I was comparing these products to Korean products to begin with. It was familiar in that sense. This is the product that I did not try yesterday. I wanted to hold out. We're gonna get back into it. This is the broad daylight, so you can get a better idea. But my skin feels still a little rough. I feel like I need to exfoliate some dead skin off. We're gonna go in with the Watermelon Glow PHA plus BHA. I just love it because I do have some pores here and it makes my skin grippy after, so I think it's really good. Basically, because of these products, I don't think I even need primer. I would purchase this again. This is the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrop for dull skin. Look at that, so pretty. Kind of got some in my mouth. It's a little sweet. Niacinamide is for dull skin. They're speaking my language. Once you understand the actual ingredients that make products work or make them deemed as good for you or high rated, real results, the ingredients. So if you can get the ingredient, then you don't really have to go so fancy. These two products, they work very well in combination together. Glow Recipe Plump Serum. When I was first getting into skincare, I knew my biggest thing was dehydrated skin and just wanting to plump out my wrinkles. This does exactly that. It's deep hydration. It's like you almost feel the skin having little hands and just grabbing the solution and like drinking it. I would definitely buy her. Biggest concern is I understand there's retinol in it. I just want to see if it tells you how often you can apply this. Retinol shouldn't be put on your skin every single day. Sure, they have thought this out. Oh, great. I was supposed to wash off my eyes and I didn't do that. So, my little confession. So here we are with the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. Hydrating and soothing, which is really good because I have rough skin. It's got hyaluronic acid and it's got antioxidants. My skin feels a little tingly off of this. It's a lotion. This might give me a nice dewy look. Will this seal the deal? This might be a blend of these two items. And the reason I say that is because the Watermelon Glow, it has the hyaluronic acid as well as antioxidants. So that's in itself a brightener for your skin. I would buy this item in full size. This is the Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask. As soon as I get home, I can just apply this and just sleep with it. I love things that are convenient. It's just so pretty. I love the packaging. I would buy this in full size, the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. I would actually get all of the items. I've already gotten the full size in this one. I do currently have lotions and other things, so maybe when I run out of that, then I could see myself buying these. They are between high 30s, 40s, 50s for their products. So that's the price point. Simple, to the point, good ingredients that will give you a result. So that's the glow. That will complete today's video. Stay gorgeous, stay beautiful, keep shining like a diamond that you are, and do not let anyone else make you feel otherwise. Bye, dolls. blah, 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 blah. You gotta show up if you want to get it done. If you want to get it done, you gotta show up.